So guys, we wanted to get chicken, but we're not getting chicken anymore. We have oil, so we're not getting oil. But basically here, if you come, you can get sunflower oil, almond oil, castor oil.
Maybe that's that cold area, no? Ginger garlic paste you get the cold area. Last में, right? Don't focus here, guys. Welcome back. We are going today to do some shopping. Waiting for Bharat. We have Asif with us. Hi. You might, and Q also. You know this guy. He is my cameraman. So from now you know. Let me be. We will meet him down. So we left Bharat. We left Bharat in flat only. अभी हमको पता नहीं हम लोग क्या परचेस करने वाले हैं. Hopefully we are going to purchase some bread, anda. And today is what? Which day? My cameraman is little bit ordinary. ब्रेड को हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं रोटी. रोटी नहीं बोलते भाई. नहीं, रोटी ब्रेड मतलब वो होता है ना, व्हीट का जो बनता है उसको ब्रेड बोलते हैं. गाइस यू कैन सर्च दैट ऑन गूगल व्हाट वी कॉल ब्रेड इन हिंदी. रोटी बोलते हैं, बट हमारे इसमें रोटी तो वो होता है ना जो बनाते हैं हम लोग बेसिकली आटे के साथ. हाँ, वो रोटी है. तो फिर वो जो स्लाइसेस होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जो हमको पता नहीं है वो मैं कट कर दूंगा एडिट करते टाइम, तो वो वीडियो में आएगा. यहाँ पर सुपरमार्केट मार्केट्स होते हैं. हाइपर सुपरमार्केट बोल सकते हो, जैसे कि लुलु, अल मदीना, मकर बेबी, एंड देन देयर आर मोर, वेस्ट जोन, एंड देन नेक्स्टो, मल्टीपल सुपरमार्केट. आप वहाँ पर जाओगे एंड देन दे हैव एवरीथिंग कंप्लीट सेट होता है. आप इवन स्पाइसेस, vegetable, bread, everything, chicken, everything. I'll show you now. You'll get an idea basically what I'm trying to tell. You'll get everything, entire package of shopping in one place. Let's see, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ and what's up, how we buy, how we do transaction, कैसे होता है प्रोसेस, एंड थोड़ा हम लोग भी जो फालतूगिरी करने वाले दिखाते हैं आपको. Let's go guys. सन निकला हुआ है. Around time, what's time? Around 1 o'clock. Where he's going? So you need to wait here normally. You can cross from that zebra crossing, but we are always like this. We do unwanted stuff. And see these guys in UAE. There are like bike, kind of a Honda, Pulsar. See, Honda Unicorn is very famous here. I don't know. People are crazy for Honda Unicorn. See this guy Honda, and people are crazy for Nissan cars also. Nissan, Toyota. You'll find lots of Toyota cars. People are a bit crazy for Toyota quality and all stuff. This is the place from where we used to buy all the kind of market place, Al Madina. And यहाँ से हम लोग एंटर करेंगे. अब यहाँ से एंटर करके ये काउंटर है. ये काउंटर में आपको ये एंटर. So I'll hand over my camera to my cameraman so that he can record and show you all everything. Cameraman, please hold this camera. So you get everything. See guys, here there's a perfume also. So first we'll take basket, right? Yeah, Bharat is very genuine guy. Genuine guy. So you get everything. I'll just take around. That side is basically a cold area. That side milk and all that stuff. All cold chicken and all everything. This side is basically spices and some chakna use में दारू के साथ आते हैं पीते हैं. This part also you can see. And it has everything, bro. Yeah, okay, fine. So we will take 10 kg. Yeah, 10 kg. Last time which we took. So guys, this rice we are taking, which rice is Lucky Gold. We are eating Lucky Gold, and then we become lucky. Guys, split up. Go 4 people split up. Maybe that side cold area, no? Ginger garlic paste you get the cold area. Last में, right? So I feel we took big basket. So guys, you get this kind of cart. You need to use this cart for shopping. You get this kind of cart also because today we are going to do the shopping lot. That is the reason carrying this big cart. Onion we need, right? We'll take onion. You get this kind of bag. You need to basically remove this bag. Put whatever onion you need to put. Yeah. So this is cold area, guys. This is the cold area. You get everything. You can get fruit and everything. And these are basically eggs and everything. There are different categories of eggs. You can choose whichever you want.
Careful, don't throw anything.
We can take two. We can take 2 trays. So अभी हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीक आने वाले हैं, तो हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि हम लोग एक वीक का स्टॉक भर दें, बिकॉज एक वीक खाना है. Yeah, so guys, I'll show you this. This has 10 pieces of this kind of rotis. You get this kind of stuff. So cost 4 dirham around. For this also it's like 5-6 parota. From where you took this? 3.5. So you get Italy stuff also. So all content in cold. Curd we already have. We don't need to take that because no one is eating, and we need to take meal. Yeah, pack of 4. Get that. Here we get all type of fish, whatever you need to. And here you get some utensils also. So nowadays we are consuming this now 4 bottles. We have around 1 bottle 1 liter, total 4 liters. And I think it is kind of a bit cheap. Yeah, but the quality is good. Basically milk quality. So it's something good. So I suggest everyone don't compromise. If you want to do. Now I'll hand over my mic to Q. I want you to guide your test. So
Alright, testing 1 2. Alright guys, welcome to the channel. So we're doing groceries. You want sugar, right, for coffee? So a little bit sugar, 500 grams. Do you have masala? So guys, we wanted to get chicken, but we're not getting chicken anymore. We have oil, so we're not getting oil. But basically here, if you come, you can get sunflower oil, almond oil, castor oil. So it depends on what kind of oil you like. But basically, yeah, we like taking sunflower oil, castor oil and then also mustard, because it's very healthy.
So guys, we decided to take 2 kgs of chicken. So we took masala also. This masala guys. So we are almost done with stuff, I think, huh? You and me. So I have only one mic. So tomorrow I'm going to buy 2 mics and put one mic for you and one mic for me, because we are going to host this channel together now. And whatever money is going to come, I'll keep that money. I won't give
You will give me dosa, tapak pulao.
Yes, bro. No, I'll share with him the fund, because till now we are not getting any money.
Subscribe so we don't get hungry in Dubai. We need food, please.
Don't include me in this category. So guys, I think we are almost done with all the stuff. We are planning to go to other supermarkets. So this is how this supermarket works. वहाँ पर देखते हैं कुछ वेजिटेबल्स, बिकॉज वेजिटेबल्स हमने परचेज नहीं किया, बिकॉज यहाँ का प्राइस डिफरेंट है वहाँ के. सो डिफरेंट supermarket will have a different pricing. You can try the perfume if you want to try the perfume. This way, come here. So they remove this stuff, but if you want to try, you can try like this. It is good. We have many things over here. So let me show you how we bill basically. So after doing bill, let's go to other supermarket. Guys, we go to this counter. Don't focus here, guys. So guys, we need to keep all this stuff on counter so that our brother can. Bro, we have YouTube channel. Yeah, my YouTube channel name is Riding 04 Fun. 04 Fun. Yeah, numerical 04 and then fun, alphabetic. So you can subscribe our channel. Okay, he's my cameraman. Guys, brother is so kind, man. He asked me to basically search. This channel, bro. Comment only positive stuff. Don't comment negative. So once you're done with all this stuff, you can pay through cash or card, whatever. Yeah? Bro knows the algorithm, man. You're from where? Which country, brother? India? Bro, I'm also from India. How do you do? Kama Sutra. Kerala? Okay. I'm from Goa, basically. Goa. Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. Long bill for hungry people. Took everything. अब हमें जाना है सफी. There is one more supermarket as I told you earlier. सफी. So we are waiting for basically Bharat. Yeah, I don't know where he went. कुछ तो गलत है. He's coming from inside. Let's see. I think he's trying to search something. But once he will realize that we already built everything, he will be like fucked up. So I think I should go inside. We lost one member from our team, guys. So we are searching where he is. I don't know. So big supermarket, right? Yeah, he's taking chicken. Okay. He's taking some fish. Bro, where are you going? Bharat. Yeah, I think. Bro, Bharat, where are you? We are searching for you, man. So guys, there are lots of fish. So every fish have different pricing. Which fish you are taking, Bharat? This one. Ah, this is called bangda. I think this is bangda. We call it in India bangda. I don't know what you call it. So comment on what you call basically. Yeah. There are lots of things, but the thing is very costly. So that is the only purpose we are asking you to subscribe us. Guys, the fish which we took, it is called sardine, right? Sardine. Yeah. I'm not good with English, bro. You know me. These guys are fighting to carry this bag. Carry mine. Hey. So let's go to other supermarket. This is the Safi supermarket, guys. Safi. हमें बैग रखने बोल रहे भाई. Have a gold group of company. बहुत आराम से. अरे उसमें फूट जाएगा भाई. Thank you, bro. You got sandals also. Yeah. These are real plants? Oh, yeah. Bro, these are real. So you get real plants also, bro. So same, everything will be same. Everything you will get in here. ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक सब मिलेगा. खाने से लेके पीने तक, सोने तक सब मिलेगा. So similar pattern. So what are you looking for? You'll find it when I see it. Guys, yeah, I'm from Hindi medium. So little bit English ऊपर नीचे. We have entire vegetable category. So you get lots of stuff. So let's start putting tomatoes. This for 2 dirham. We are planning to buy oranges. Ginger garlic paste we already took, right? So take orange from here, no? Brother, you can peel these also, huh? Brother, you can peel these also. How you believe? बहुत महंगा. अबे इंडिया में से 10 खा लेते, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इंडिया जाना पड़ेगा भाई. तू कहाँ से भाई? अरे वाह, बांग्लादेश में भाई. बांग्लादेश तो आ रहा है सब ऑफर. पता है ना? Guys, we are going to eat amla. You know it's good for health. Take it. Frozen all. We are buying one thing. You took anything, bro? Hi. Say hi. This guy is basically Yasir. Bro, cleaning that. Yeah, take it. Guys, मैं बहुत खट्टा है, ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाएगा। तो वी आर बाइंग नाउ ऑरेंज। एक दो किलो बहुत है ना, 2 किलो ना, how many kg? Done with orange. Banana will take. Apple you want to take? Apple a day, keep that doctor away. गाइस हम लोग को यहाँ पर ना ऑल स्टेशनरीज भी मिल जाते हैं। तो गाइस वी आर डन विद शॉपिंग। दिस इज विच बैंक आई एम यूजिंग नाउडेज। नथिंग इज विजिबल, या ओनली माय बैंक नेम। So this is one bank in Dubai basically people do use. Once you're done you get this. So guys we are done with shopping. थोड़ा sunny हो चुका है। Anyways अब winter season है, so everyone is like holding something and going around. I think we spent already close 300 dirham हम लोगों ने spend किया है। And this is like parking place. तो यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं because anyways in UAE और दुबई we don't have car or bike जैसे इंडिया में अपने पास थी। So let's go. अब जाते हैं रूम पर, ये सब रखते हैं। Then again we are planning to go somewhere to buy something like fried chicken or something because हम लोगों ने store chicken तो लिया है। We going to use it after some days. Fried chicken maybe आज के लिए। And today by the way Sunday नहीं है, आज Tuesday है। So we are doing this shopping on Tuesday. फटाफट जाते हैं, यहाँ पर struggle हो रहा है बहुत। You want me to hold? That is our building, the last one. If you see, let's go. बाद में बताते हैं आपको।